What is birth control? As we know, there has been a lot of discussion and movements about abortion here in the United States. But what are your thoughts on contraceptives? This could help stop the birth of an unwanted child and help prevent STDs. The main purpose of birth control is to prevent pregnancy. There are many different types. They help prevent STDs and have many possible side effects as well. As a young adult and having a long way to go in my education, the last thing I want in my life right now is to have kids. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I hope to have a family one day, just not in a few years. I'm currently not using any type of birth control as I have been doing a lot of research myself on what works best for me, as I have learned so much about birth control and what fits my health. I hope to be able to inform you all as well about what it is and what it can do, as well as defining what birth control is and the different types there are, how it helps against STDs, as well as what possible side effects it may come with. Birth control is not for everyone, but it is one of the highest contraceptives used for unwanted pregnancy. In order to understand how the correlation between birth and birth control in our bodies, there needs to be an understanding of how the two work together and affect the body of a woman. What is birth control? Birth control is also known as a contraceptive, and it uses medicine and devices to prevent pregnancy. What else does it protect us from? The pill can also lower your risk of certain problems such as uterine, ovarian cancers, acne, and migraines. How does it function in our bodies? The hormones in the birth control prevent pregnancy by stopping ovulation. Ovulation is when there is a release of an egg from the ovary. Then thickening the cervical mucus to keep the sperm from entering the uterus. Thinning the lining of the uterus so that a fertilized egg is less likely to get attached and cause pregnancy. Considering that birth control is a contraceptive, there are many different types of contraceptives to be used. As birth control is highly used, there are now many different methods that can be used to fit your health. The first FDA-approved cell was an oral contraceptive, or the old-fashioned pill. The pill was approved for sale starting June 23, 1960. And manufactured by G.D. Dearly and Company. The birth control pill works by releasing female hormones in your body, which keeps your body from releasing an egg that could be fertilized by a man's sperm. The hormones also keep the man's sperm from reaching the woman's uterus or the womb and fallopian tubes to make it harder for an egg to stick inside the uterus and cause pregnancy. One of the most recent types of birth control is a gel called Phexxi, which was FDA approved in May of 2020. This new gel contraceptive expands the available options of non-hormonal contraceptive. It works by lowering the pH in the vagina to make it difficult for sperm to penetrate the egg. In order for Phexxi to be 96% effective, it has to be used perfectly. As people are not perfect, it can be easy to make a mistake, so in reality, Phexxi is only 86% effective. Even though birth control may appear as a great contract to prevent pregnancy, there are quite a few side effects that come along with using birth control. Although many birth control methods have been FDA approved, there are hundreds of side effects that could affect a woman's body depending on their health and if they are using the contraceptive properly. Depending on the contraceptive you may use, there are common side effects from using them. The most common side effects are nausea, headaches, irregular menstrual cycle, mood changes, weight gain, or even weight loss. It also varies, such as if you use a vaginal ring, you may experience irritation. If you use the patch, it may cause a lot of itchiness and irritation. It varies from contraceptive as well as how your body may adjust to it. Although birth control may cause small side effects, it may also increase the chance of fatalities. They increase the risk of blood clots and strokes. It's worse for women who are over the age of 35 and the women who smoke. Birth control pills can also lower your risk of ovarian or uterine cancers. Regardless of the side effects, the benefits of birth control give you what you are looking for, which is the prevention of pregnancy. Birth control is a great contraceptive to prevent unwanted pregnancy for those females that do not want it or are not ready to be parents. There are different methods that you can also choose from to see what fits your health the best. Although there are many side effects that you may experience, it can also be life-threatening in some cases. It does also decrease your chances of any type of cancer. As a young adult who has a long future ahead of her, I have found the research to be taken to see what birth control is and what's the best thing to fit my lifestyle as well as my body. I hope that this has also helped inform you and hopefully answered a few of your questions. Thank you.